This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Murano. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission, a V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a multi-function display, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.